Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we'll continue our discussion on the girdle of Venus. A quick recap of all what we have studied so far. There are three categories in which our palm lines can be classified, can be divided. The first category is of the primary lines or of the major lines, in which these three lines falls. So the heart line tells about your innermost feelings, the head line tells about your intellectual capabilities, and the lifeline tells about your vitality, health and stamina. These three lines come into the category of the primary lines or the major lines. Then comes the secondary lines or the second category, in which the line of Saturn falls. So this is your line of Saturn, which answers all of your concerns regarding your wealth, career, promotion. And next is the line of Sun, which answers all of your concerns regarding your capacity to attract name, fame in this life. And lastly is the line of Mercury, which answers your concerns regarding your health and business. Now comes the third classification, the third category, which is of the minor lines, in which this girdle of Venus also falls. These minor lines are very rare to spot in people's palm, but if you have spotted these lines, they add depth to someone's personality. That is the only reason why, being a hand analyst, you have to give proper scrutinization and proper significance to these lines as well, because they modify the personality traits in someone's personality. Now coming to this girdle of Venus, what we have studied in the introductory video, the girdle of Venus gets spotted over here at this portion of the palm. So this is somehow you will find the girdle of Venus in someone's palm. It just encircles your middle finger as well as the ring finger. So something like this formation, you will find the girdle of Venus. Now there is no hard and fast rule that you will spot it like this only. This might get spread out across the palm, or you might even find it in 2 or 3 rings formation, which you are going to discuss in this video. But now comes the question, what does this line represent? This line, the only thing which this line represent is the pent up stored nervous energies. The problem with the old palmist was that they did not put complete logic into it, and they did not do the complete comprehensive analysis. What they did was that just by looking at this formation, they assigned and labeled this line as the line of lasciviousness, line of sexual indulgences and excess of sexual indulgences. Though the truth is that this line tells about the pent up nervous energies. Now depending on the type, the person will seek a window to release these energies which are troubling them. And like the way I have already explained, that this category of girdle of Venus can be divided into 2 parts. One is the sensitive types and the another is the sensual types. So if the overall hand is indicating towards nervousness, sensitivity, fragility in someone's personality, the person will get bogged down because of the added intensity of this girdle of Venus. And let's say if on the other hand, the overall hand is indicating towards the sensuality and sensual aspect of someone's personality, so with the presence of this girdle of Venus, that would add more intensity, and the person will become more sexually driven in his life. So the thing which you need to do is that, like the way I have already explained, that in palmistry you can't just assess the line in isolation, and also you just can't put the line to the type of the person. You have to understand the type of the person, then you have to just apply that type to that line rather than doing it in vice versa. And when it comes to the girdle of Venus, there are also certain types which are more prone to falling prey to the negative side of this girdle of Venus. Like the way, for example, the Saturnian types and the Luna types remain very most vulnerable, because Saturnians are already too inward, too introvert, excessive of thinkers, and same goes with the Luna people, the typical moon driven people who remain to be very highly imaginative, very restless. So along with that, if you will get this kind of combination gets spotted, that would just aggravate the whole condition, worsen the case for these people. And that is with the aggravating signs, the signs which will intensify the effect of girdle of Venus in a negative way. And let's say, for example, what would remain to be the saving grace. So the saving grace in the hand would remain to be a good headline. That would remain to be the first sign. Second would remain to be a good thumb. Thumb is the soul of the hand. If the thumb is strong, the person will have a necessary strong will and determination to put a guard to all those temptations and nervousness which is troubling him. So good thumb and a good headline would remain to be a saving grace. And Even in the thumb as well, there are like further categories. The first flange of your thumb is represent your will, you know, the kind of determination you hold, and the second flange represents the logical ability. So you know, in a way, it is more required with the girdle of Venus that the person should have a longer first flange of the thumb. Like as you can see in my here in my thumb, that this is a knot in between, and which is dividing the whole thumb into two regions. One is above the knot and another is below it. So like the way this portion represents your will and this portion represents your logic. So with the girdle of Venus, it is more important that the person should have a longer first flange, because more logical, more thinker the person would become, the more aggravated situation would become, because girdle of Venus is already putting too much of intensity in someone's personality. So now coming to this topic and you know, discussing it in detail. So the first formation is that we also have to give emphasis to the character of the line. Like you have spotted the girdle of Venus, but in which formation you have spotted it? What is the quality of the line of the girdle of Venus marked on your palm? So the first case is when you will find it to be in a deep and clear formation. And like the way I always say, when it comes to checking the quality of the line, whether it is deep, whether it is thin, the quality gets checked in comparison with the other lines marked on the palm. Then only you will get to know that this line is deep or thin. So via a comparative analysis, you will get to know. So let's say for example, just the eligibility for this line to be deep and clear is that it should be deep in formation, either equivalent to the other major lines marked on the palm or more deeper than that. So you know, the deep and clear formation just tells about, first of all, see, this is more than this formation indicate more towards the sensual side. More often it has been seen that this kind of formation is spotted in the hands of all those people who are more sensual driven. What do I mean by that? You know, like the way there are certain basic modifiers which you people also have to understand. The square shape of the hand people, they remain to be like very determined, very rigid, and very hardworking and very practical, compared to the conic shape of the hand, the psychic shape and the pointed shape of the hand. So same way, you know, it would be very rare to find the girdle of Venus in the square shape of the hand, because that people is already very practical, that person is already very to the point and very very will driven. But let's say for example, the conic shape of the hand, those people remain to be very emotional, very intuitive. So the occurrence of the girdle of Venus is more spotted on the conic shape of the hand. Same ways, when it comes to the deep and clear you know, formation of the girdle of Venus, it is more often gets spotted in the hands of the people who are like more sensual driven, more energy driven, rather than the sensitive and nervous types. So what will happen is that, let's say for example, you have spotted this kind of the formation. So what would remain to be the case is that majority of the times what has been seen is that these people take refuge in the creative capacities and the physical capacities in the form of some sport or some adventure, because you know, the mere presence of the girdle of Venus is already indicating that the, you know, the thinking, the emotion aspect is intense in this person. But this is not taking an outlet of, you know, not making the person very inward, nervous and, you know, kind of sensitive, nor it is just channelizing the energy into the, you know, physical sexual kind of encounters and indulgences. That in any case that would depend on the other signs marked on the palm as well, but generally it indicates, along if the mount of the sun is in a good condition, the line of sun is also present, then there remains to be high possibility that the person would take refuge and interest more in the art and creativity. And trust me on this, there is no better solution than a window of art and a medium of art to, you know, suppress all those overabundant kind of energies which are troubling you. So these people might become very good artists, you know, they will put their heart and soul into their work, and their produced work will get appreciated everywhere. And if they'll take refuge in the physical capacities like physical adventure sport, they'll also do good in that. Next is the formation of the character of the girdle of Venus to be thin and clear. And when I say the same rule will apply, the thin and the line will be categorized as thin in comparison with the other lines marked on the palm. So if you have spotted the line to be girdle of Venus to be thin, so this would just indicate that the, you know, it is kind of a desired state quality of the girdle of Venus to be in your palm. So if you have spotted this kind of formation, this would just add, you know, kind of very idealism and very kind of cultivate good virtue and good traits. So with a thin and clear formation of the girdle of Venus, it will not kind of manifest in a negative way, because the girdle of Venus in a way act as a sister line to the heart line. That is the only reason it is just bombarding the excess of the emotions. But when it is in a thin and clear state, it doesn't pose much trouble, rather it would make person very kind of very idealistic in the matters of his relationship. Next is the troubled one, which is the case if you have spotted the girdle of Venus to be in a broken kind of formation. So now this is a matter of concern, matter of worry, because what happens is that an unbroken girdle of Venus, if the girdle of Venus is unbroken in your palm, it would just indicate intensity. But once it gets broken, it would just seen as a trouble, it gets seen as a defect. So what is going to happen is that if I spotted this kind of broken girdle of Venus, first of all, it will have two sides to it. Like the way I have already explained to you, girdle of Venus has got two sides of it. One is nervousness, sensitivity, another is sensuality. So the sensitive person would remain to be on the verge of nervous breakdown. Though with that said, we also have to check the condition of the headline as well. Otherwise the person would remain to be very nervous, very sensitive, given to temper tantrums, and let's say for example the headline is also broken, then it will just aggravate the condition. And let's say take the sensual side, so a broken girdle of Venus would hit the person whose hand is more sensual driven. So let's say for example, if the girdle is the Mars mount of Venus is very risen, very pink in color, with the grill and too much of the negative signs. Same is the case with the inner mount of the Mars, and along with that the girdle of Venus is very deep and clear and it's unbroken, it's broken. Then this remain to be the case that the sexual capacities and the desires of the person would be very huge and would remain to be very distorted. And this kind of formation where the line is very deep and the hand is overall very sensual and the girdle of Venus is broken as well, has been majority of the times has been spotted in the hands of the rapist as well. So I am not saying this thing that all those people whose hand is very sensual and the girdle of Venus is deep and broken would tend to rape. It's just like that if their sexual desires remain to be very huge and distorted. This is all what I mean to say. In the research, although this has been found. Next is with the combination, when you will find the girdle of Venus to be double or triple formation. So let's say for example, you have spotted girdle of Venus something like this and this. So what is going to happen is that with this the intensity will get added up. So the sensitive person would become more sensitive, more nervous, not even kind of facing trouble even in facing the public life. And the sensual person will have added sensuality added to his personality, added to his desire, added to his libido. Like the way I already explained to you in the introductory video, that is the only reason why old palmist ascribed this line as the line of hysteria and the line of libido. Sensitive side took the name of line of hysteria, sensual side took the name of the line of libido. Now coming to the troubled part, like the way I have already told you, till the time girdle of Venus is unbroken girdle of Venus just indicates intensity, which has come over here. But once the line is broken, that this would just act as a defect and the trouble. So what is going to happen is that, let's say for example, he has spotted double or triple formation of the girdle of Venus as well as they are broken. So now the real trouble will come. So this is the kind of formation which has been, see, there can be so many sides of it. First of all, this the kind of sensitive driven people would remain to be extremely sensitive, extremely nervous, moody, whimsical, too much of a craving for variety and excitement, little bit of the signs of melancholiness as well. And with the sensual side of the people, their desires and indulgences would also remain to be very high. And what majority of the palmist has also spotted in this in their research is that this kind of formation, whether it's double or a triple in formation as well as broken, has been spotted in the hands of all those people who remain to be kind of go through very kind of humiliation, kind of embarrassment in with their relation with the opposite sex. And majority of the times it has also been seen that if they get into divorce, so this kind of formation even make them lose majority of their assets and worth and in their encounter and in their kind of ending of the litigation which they are going through with their spouse or with their partner. So this kind of formation is a very intense kind. You need to check it comprehensively with the other features marked on the hand as well. And also what other palmists have also found in their research is that they have also spotted this kind of formation, because in any case this kind of girdle of Venus is more possibility remains higher that you'll find this kind of pattern in the hands of the woman, because they remain to be more intuitive, more sentimental, more sensitive types. And along with that, with this kind of formation, it has also been seen in the hands of the women who remain to be very sexually dissatisfied in their marriages. So it's a kind of finding of the research. It's not something which is written in the scriptures, it is the finding of the research of the palmist. Now coming to the pattern of the different defects, what will happen when we'll spot it on the girdle of Venus. So let's say for example, you have spotted a symbol of island on the girdle of Venus. So let's say for example something like this, a big island on the girdle of Venus. So what is going to happen is that, this is just going to aggravate the condition. What is going to happen is that the desire of the person would remain to be very out of the ordinary. The sexual orientation of the person would remain to be kind of, there would be a lot of aberration into it. So all those people who have this problem of sadism, masochism, cross-dressing, or any kind of kind of out of the ordinary sexual desires can be seen with this kind of formation. And with that said, you have to check the condition of the overall hand as well. Otherwise this kind of formation indicate towards that only. This not only make the person sexually very promiscuous, sexually high, but also the sexuality kind of manifest in a very abrupt way, in a very out of the ordinary way. So this is with the presence of the girdle island on the girdle of Venus. And along with that, this has also been written and seen by majority of the palmists, is that if we'll spot this kind of star kind of formation on the girdle of Venus, so this also indicates reproductive or venereal diseases. And let's say for example, what has been written in the scripture is that if you'll spot a cross kind of formation on the girdle of Venus, this would just indicate the kind of fear of self-poisoning. So with that said, we have to check it in combination with other signs as well. When the cases of suicide, the death, for that we have to give significance to lot of the features present on the hand. Like the way I always say, the first thing when it comes to checking all those intense and very kind of very intense signs, you need to first check the condition of the headline. Let's say for example, with this kind of formation, the headline is also ending on the mount of the moon. It has gone too down. Mount of the moon also represents imagination, too much of thinking, and it is ending on a let's say cross, or let's say on a mole or a till. Along with that, the finger of Saturn is kind of very sensitive, very fragile. You might have different kind of yogas in astrology, but when it comes to palmistry, all the cases of suicide, depression, melancholiness, negativity, fear of any evil influence, this middle finger, the phalanges of the middle finger, the mount of the middle finger, even if any line is getting broken or distorted under the middle finger, plays a very vital role. So in comparison and comprehensively, all by including everything, then you can lead to some conclusion. Otherwise my role here is to teach you people what has been written. So this is what has been found in research and what has been written in the scripture. Next is with the formation, let's say for example, with the presence of the girdle of Venus, you'll also find the quadrangle to be of narrow shape. So like the way I have already, when we were discussing the quadrangle, I have already explained to people that the narrow the quadrangle will become, the person will lack the self-expression. So what is going to happen is that the quadrangle is narrow, the person is not able to express himself, and along with that, girdle of Venus is already making this person very intense, internally, mentally. So what is going to happen is that the person would remain always on the verge of the breakdown, because too much of the energy is kind of rebelling and busting his head into pieces, and he's not getting a proper channel to express himself, and so he doesn't have that much of potential of the self-expression. So that might remain to be the case when you'll find the narrow quadrangle along with the girdle of Venus. I have spotted a girdle of Venus. If you people have a little bit of idea of the astrology, so I have seen kind of double formation of the girdle of Venus recently in the hand of a lady who had a Cancer Lagan, ascendant Cancer, and even her moon Rashi, moon zodiac sign was Pisces. Her moon nakshatra was Revati. So you can easily decode from that all the signs of emotions, intuitiveness was not only getting indicated by her astrological chart but also being seen on her hand as well. So this is how these astrology and palmistry goes hand in hand. Trust me on this, palmistry has got that much of the potential that with practice and in long time, just by looking at someone's hand, you can even draw that person's astrological chart. So this is the kind of potential which palmistry holds. So now coming to the other concept is when you'll find the girdle of Venus cutting the other lines marked on the palm. So let's say for example, this is the girdle of Venus and you'll see girdle of Venus cutting either the line of Saturn or the line of Sun. So what is going to happen is that, as you people know, that the line of Saturn answers all of your concerns regarding your career, regarding your job, and the line of Sun is already responsible for your reputation, for your success quotient. So what is going to happen is that whensoever you will find the girdle of Venus cutting the line of Saturn as well as the line of Sun, so these people would remain to be very much vulnerable towards getting entangled into sexual kind of scandals or being at the receiving end of the allegations made by their juniors or colleagues for the sexual advances. So this would remain to be the case when you will find these two lines being cut by the girdle of Venus. Or that could also be a case that the person has reacted because of some kind of emotional trauma which the person was going through, which has costed his outburst, has costed in the form of his taken a toll or setback in his career front. So this is how we can look at it. And another way is, let's say for example, though that is a very rare kind of occurrence, but if you find the girdle of Venus to be so longer, something like this, and the union line cutting it, so that might also be a case that the person would remain to be very much vulnerable towards having a unhappy married life because of the too much of the moodiness, temperamental and whimsical nature of the partner. So this is how we can decode it. And when it comes to the kind of the remedies part, it is always advisable with someone with this kind of formation to get his astrological chart properly scrutinized with whomsoever the person is trying to get married. So because this not only makes the person run into someone who's whimsical, moody, but also creates the circumstances that the person will tend to fall for someone with the person who will have too much of the high expectation, with this person would not be able to fulfill. So this is how we can look at it. And what has been seen in the research is that the typical and intense effect of the girdle of Venus gets subdued, gets reduced after the age of 30. So it's better if that person will get married after the age of 30, so that all the kind of fear of the possibilities of the girdle of Venus will get reduced after that age. Next is certain special cases which you also need to give proper emphasis, like the way what has been found in the research is that, let's say for example, if the presence along with the presence of a girdle of Venus, you'll also spot a via lascivia present on the palm. So this is not considered as positive, because what is going to happen is that at the time when I made a video exclusively on the via lascivia, I have already explained that the presence of via lascivia just makes someone too much of vulnerable towards falling prey to any kind of artificial emotional stimulants, addiction, and this is also a sign of high sexual desires and capacity. So what is going to happen is that with the presence of via lascivia, and let's say for example the girdle of Venus is in double or triple kind of formation, is broken with the presence of a negative sign, then that person will remain to be very much on the verge of acting abruptly in the fulfillment of his sexual desires. So this is the one case to look at it in combination. Second is, let's say for example, you will find the girdle of Venus to be badly formed. You have a girdle of Venus which is, let's say, very badly formed, and along with that there is a symbol of cross on the mount of the Saturn, and the headline is also in a bad shape under the middle finger. So this is, in medical palmistry, this is a case of person falling prey to or kind of paralysis kind of situation. Though with those kind of things we also need to give proper emphasis to lifeline, another combination as well, but this is all what has been found true in the research. So this is all what I want to say on this video. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.